want to give you permission. Here's the thing. You've got your business rolling. Maybe you've taken a step back. Maybe you took a deep breath and things have been on hold for you for a minute. I want to give you permission to just start today, right now. Pick up the phone, make a call. It could be your first sale of this month, maybe this quarter, and it's going to be great. So right now, just start. Don't think about it too much. Like Nike said, just do it. I give you permission to start today. Start now. If you enjoyed what I had to say today, please let me know. Leave me a comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, cute emojis, those bitmojis, all of the good things. Maybe some bad. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your feelings. I'd love your feedback.